It's a little Jamaica, right now. Before I was a little Jamaica. Jamaica, where we have everything for Jamaica in here. This is a part of Jamaica. This is where Jamaican shopping for them things. See there? Yellow yam. We have yellow yam. Dashing there. You know what I mean? Sweet potato, banana, jelly. We have everything for Jamaica in here. This is a part of Jamaica. Little Jamaica you call this here. Every Jamaican, see there? Everything. Pepper, lime. Everything we have. The great good boy, you know. This is a man that support the Jamaican community. Yeah, because we want to interview on the Jamaican National. Sure. Yeah.
Would you like?
No, Jamaican living abroad.